Hi, good morning to you, Nina and Roger. Morning to you at home too. Well, we had quite a bit of sunshine yesterday and temperatures up as high as 18 degrees. Today, we've still got the mild air with us, but less in the way of sunshine. I think it's going to be a cloudier sort of day.
Morning to you. Great picture behind you.
Yeah, glorious, isn't it? Morning, Nina and Roger. Morning to you at home too. We have got some really gorgeous colours in the sunrise this morning, especially so across parts of eastern England. So some pinks and purples out there. This is the picture in Scarborough at the moment. If we head a little bit further south into North Lincolnshire, just take a look at the sky there, just glowing in pinks and purples. And further south, this is the picture in Norwich at the moment too. So some really vibrant colours out there if you're waking up this morning, particularly across parts of eastern England. But we often get scenes like this with these vibrant pinks and purples when we've got low pressure moving in from the Atlantic. And that is certainly the case today. So a little bit up and down really over the next week or so. Nina and Roger.
What we're enjoying, Sarah, is that autumn has announced its arrival in such a definitive way, hasn't it?
Absolutely has, isn't it? Yeah, doors wide open, here it is.
And what we're also enjoying as we come up to Halloween, those pictures that you showed at the beginning are very spooky Halloweeny.
Absolutely amazing. Yeah, keep sending in your sunrises this morning. They're absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, big thanks to the weather watchers.
It's good weather.
What's that behind Sarah?
Good weather for the plants.
Isn't it? Yeah, good morning to you. It is glorious out there this morning for some of us, especially towards the east. This is the picture in Berwick-upon-Tweed at the moment. Beautiful morning for walking the dogs on the beach there. So we've had these really vivid sunrises this morning. Lots of pinks, lots of purples in the sky out there. Let's take a look a bit further south. Felixstowe, the sky is on fire there, I think. So yes, it is looking very picturesque in the east, but not quite the same for everyone. This might be a little bit more representative of the weather where you're waking up this morning. This is County Down. Granny Anne taking that picture from indoors, which I think is probably a good idea there.
Sarah is with us, ever green and ever young. Here she is.
Oh yeah, but I wish. Very kind, Roger. Good morning to you. Out there this morning, most of us have got quite a lot of cloud around, producing outbreaks of rain at times. Nothing particularly heavy, but a little bit damp and drizzly. So this picture comes from Tameside, Greater Manchester, and many of us have got fairly similar skies out there. Now, as we head through the rest of the day, we're going to keep the cloud. We're going to keep some spells of rain, but there will be some brighter intervals at times, especially for some eastern areas.
Hello, good afternoon. A rather cloudy day to come for much of the UK.
Hello there, very good afternoon to you. Well, some very pretty skies out there earlier on this morning. Red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning. There are plenty of approaching weather fronts and some blustery showers around as well. And where we saw those blue skies yesterday, of course, it has now turned a lot cloudier. We'll be keeping that cloud for the rest of the afternoon. And it's a very mixed picture as we head through the week ahead. 18 degrees Celsius north to south, but then it's all changed and we look out towards the Atlantic. Now this is Hurricane Kirk, and that's been developing. It's a very intense hurricane at the moment. It's going to be pushing northwards and eastwards towards Europe, and it will become post-tropical, so it loses that tropical feature, but a lot of moisture involved with it, some heavy rain, some strong gusty winds.
Hello there, good evening. Well, it's been a much more unsettled end to the weekend. And for tomorrow too, it's a mixture of sunshine, but also some scattered heavy showers around as well.
Hello, good evening. An unsettled start to this week across the UK. In general, it's feeling mild, but there will be pulses of showery rain for many areas. Some sunshine to look forward to, and towards the end of the week, starting to feel a little bit colder.
Hello there, a very good evening to you. The real autumnal mix coming our way, certainly a week to layer up, because yes, we'll have these spells of warm autumn sunshine, but interspersed by some pretty hefty showers as well. And although we benefit from exceptionally mild air for the meantime, those temperatures really take a nosedive from Thursday onwards. Look at those northerly winds. So they really will pack quite a punch, biting temperatures by the end of the week and a real swing in how things will feel. So we could well be looking at some frost overnight later in the week, but for now, mild with sunshine and showers by day.
Hello there, good evening. A very messy and unsettled picture weather-wise as we head through the next few days, but it was a pretty start earlier on this morning. Lots of red skies as captured by our weather watchers. And of course, the heaviest downpours today were out towards the west. Some of the showers pushing further eastwards at times. Not as much sunshine as we saw yesterday, but still the chance of some more bright and sunny spells as we go through the next few days, accompanied by some rather blustery showers.